Hey friends, if you'd like to see how I went from this to this using clip-ins from Amazon, stay tuned. So today I'm going to be using Kinky straight human hair clip-ins from the brand Full Shine. They're 20 inches and each pack comes with 7 pieces. So I purchased 2 packs. It's not sponsored. I just went out on a whim because I've had pretty good experiences purchasing hair from Amazon. It's a lot more affordable and I'm not mad at what I got with this. So I'm just showing you the packaging. Comes with some really nice cards. In the pack of hair, they give you an extra clip just in case you want to add to it or adjust. This is what the hair looks like. It's pretty good quality, very thick, very dense. It has a nice shine to it, but not like that fakeish shine where it doesn't look realistic. I love the yaki texture and I like that it matches my texture. The one thing I will say, the ends are a little raggedy, so we are going to trim those up. But even with trimming them, I only lost maybe like an inch, half an inch. So honestly, I would say they're about 18 inches in total. So these are the clip-ins and this is what they look like. So to prepare to wash them, you know we got to wash any extensions. I'm just going to add a clip to them and then we are going to wash in the sink. So the first thing you want to do is saturate your clip-ins, get them nice and wet and ready for your cleanser. So today I'm going to be working with one product line only, and that is the Doux, which is a black-owned brand created by hairstylist Maya Smith based in Atlanta. So for my cleanser, I'm going to be using the One Love Cowash, which helps to cleanse, detangle, condition, and it doesn't leave behind that waxy buildup that co-washes tend to leave. It has jojoba and grapeseed oil, which helps to reduce frizz, aid in heat protection, and what I love is that it has a really great thick cloud marshmallow type texture. And what I really love is that it actually suds. A lot of co-washes don't sud, they don't lather. It kind of feels like you're just putting the product on and that's just the end of that. But this actually feels like it cleanses the hair without weighing it down. So we're just going to lather it on up and then we are going to rinse it out in lukewarm water to lock in the moisture. I'm just going to towel dry it and prepare it for the style. And to detangle my extensions today, I'm going to be using another black-owned product, and that is the Felicia Leatherwood Detangler Brush. I love that it has widely spaced flexi bristles, which makes it easy to detangle the hair without breaking the strands. And it's so important to detangle extensions on a flat surface because you're more likely to get a precise cut. So for my divas that are beginners or you got a little shaky hand, you want to put down a comb in its place, make sure it's even and it's horizontal, and you just want to cut against that comb. And for my divas that know their way around some shears, feel free to freestyle it. Just move slow and take your time. And this is what came off. Not too much, just enough to remove those thin and straggly ends. For today's leave-in, we're going to be using the Doux We Want Easy Texture Tamer. So it helps to hydrate, it helps to tame frizz, and it also protects against heat. It has sweet almond oil, avocado oil, and shea oil. And I'm so sorry I didn't get a texture shot of this product, but it's basically just like a lotion. Then we're going to be going in with the Doux Mousse Def Texture Foam, which helps to provide shine, hold, and control for a sleek look that isn't crunchy and it does not flake. It also has silk protein to help resist humidity and keeps the hair soft and shiny. So now that we are all layered up with product, we're going to just go in and flexi rod the hair. I'm using a medium-sized gray rod. You just want to keep in mind that whatever size rod you use is going to be the size and diameter of your curl. So we have our leave-in on. We're just going to pump a little bit more mousse. I like to put the rod in at the root and just wrap down to the ends, make sure it's nice, snug, and secure. And then I just bend the top of the rod and the bottom of the rod. And these are my fully rodded clip-ins. And so I have a sit under dryer. If you don't have one, you can just let it air dry. But I just take the top part off of the pole. I sit it right on top of it on the table and I let that dry for about 45 minutes. So while we patiently wait on our clip-ins, let's get into this foundation. I section my hair in half. Horizontally, I gelled up the front and put it in a braid. I cornrowed the back. Listen, I know it's not going to prom, but it's doing what it need to do, just so we can do what we gotta do. So now that our clip-ins are dry, I'm just going to gently remove the rods and then I'm going to unsnap all of my clips and prepare them for the install. This is the easiest part. You're literally just going to match the tracks up to the circumference of your head. You can either horseshoe them, you can either do them straight across. You just want to be mindful that the widest part of your head is what you see about right here. So you kind of want to save your longer pieces for that area. Or you want to start with your longer pieces, but then you're going to try and have to match up your shorter ones like right there. It's pretty simple, it's pretty straightforward and self-explanatory, so just watch me finish it up. Girl, so now we gotta get this top part together. Very simple. I'm not going to use any bands or rubber bands. I'm just going to bun my braid, add a few bobby pins to make it nice and secure. Oh, and I slick my edges down with, I'll put it in the description box. And then I'm just going to take the remaining clip-ins. I'm going to add them to the front. I'm going to add them to the back. I'm going to add them to the side. And I'm going to keep doing that until my ponytail is full. But you know we can't just go out there with the track showing. So we're going to take a little piece from the back. We're going to twist it up, or you can braid it or do it however you like. And I'm just going to wrap that around. And that's pretty much the look, y'all. Real simple, real easy, and affordable. And y'all know how we do. So let me go put on some clothes and some jewels so we can really rock the look. I like the crinkly look at the top, but if that's not your thing, I would say blow dry the hair and then rod it. Otherwise, if you found this video helpful, be sure to thumbs it up. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, meet me down in the comment section. I will be in the back by the snacks. And as always, God willing, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.